Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. It's another beautiful day that I found myself alive and here by the grace of God. Thank you so much for always guys coming to watch my videos and support my videos. Guys, if you did not watch my last videos, please go ahead and watch and support. And thank you so much guys. If you watched guys, you know that I have not been feeling well. I have been suffering from COVID, but I am fully recovered and I am so strong and I am ready to tackle the world. Guys, today's video is very interesting videos guys. As you know, here in the US it's planting season. People are planting guys. Look at my garden, my little garden. I do have a little garden guys, for those ones who are new here. This is my little garden here. I'm gonna turn the camera so I can give you a little tour. And yes guys, I started digging this morning. Yes, Umoto Lifestyle can dig, okay? So I started digging here this morning because I am planning to plant guys greens over here, all kinds of greens guys. I love organic. This little garden here guys, look at my spring onions. They are doing so well guys. Shine or rain, snow or not, these spring onions actually they are going to survive. It's an all season spring onions and I'm so happy for that. So guys, I'm here digging actually this morning because I am planning to plant, as I told you. I'm gonna plant all kinds of different kinds of greens this time, my favorite being kales. I'm gonna plant tomatoes guys, even fruits guys. Look, my okra is dead basically, but I'm going to find more seeds. My okra was right here, but basically because of the cold weather it's dead. My spinach was over here guys, is gone. Basically this little garden of mine, I am going to start digging here and guys, planting plenty. I cannot wait. So what I'm gonna do this morning guys, I'm gonna head to the store, and of course who is my favorite people to come with me? It's you guys. I'm gonna take you to a store. I don't know, I'm gonna go to Walmart or Home Depot or Lowe's, you know, all those stores that they sell greens or any kind of veggies, so that we can start planting guys our garden. So without wasting your time guys, we're gonna head to the store so that we can see what are we going to plant guys, so you guys can help me to choose and make a decision. Sometimes I need help. Umoto Lifestyle needs help guys. Okay guys, before I do that, let me show you my gumboots guys. When I'm serious and when I want to plant, I am serious. As you know, I'm a daughter of a agricultural officer. My dad used to be a agricultural officer, so I need to show a good example. Look at my outfit. This is me. Look at my gumboots. I'm serious. So guys, I'm gonna dig here a little bit and then we're gonna head to the store with you all guys. Stay tuned. Meet you guys in the store and let's go get those greens. Well guys, finally I'm here at Walmart. So far these are the ready-made greens that they have. Look at the kales. This is called what? Bonnie? This is a cabbage which is already you know planted. All you have to do is to buy it and go plant it immediately. And I'm trying to look for the price guys. I don't know how much they're selling this. I don't know why I can't see the price, but let me see if I can say. So this is broccoli, as you can tell right here. This is broccoli. Actually looks like a cabbage, but it's broccoli. And this is right here is broccoli as well. Oh my goodness, this is a cabbage right here. This is how broccoli looks like. And actually I'm trying to find the price, guys. but it doesn't seem to have the price. I'm thinking it used to be $6 or $7, which is really very pricey. And this is lettuce right here. It's ready to go. You can buy this one and just go ahead and plant. Guys, what is this? This is red romaine right here. Oh my goodness, so looking beautiful. Guys, I'm planning to plant a lot. They have Texas onions right here. These are sweet onions if you want to plant. This is how they look like in here. I have lots of spring onions, so guys, I'm going to plant even celery here. They have it ready to go. Oh my goodness. They have cauliflower, aldi jersey over here, Brussels sprouts they have here. They have rosemary right here. And guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know. Sometimes something's telling me, something is telling me to buy seedless so that I can, you know, plant myself, so they can maybe 2-3 weeks they can grow so that I can transplant. Because really, when you look at this one, it's pricey, guys. This one is $7 or $8. It's a whole lot of money. So I'm planning maybe I can buy the seedlings. Let me show you the seedlings that I can go and plant myself. It looks like they don't have plenty here, guys. They have a bunch of flowers here. These flowers really do well, but you know, it's $12 up there. Oh my goodness, guys. So I'm gonna take you inside. Actually, here I'm outdoor here. It looks like they don't have much, so I need to go inside and show you the seedlings that I think I need to get the seedlings and grow myself. Let's go and see, guys. So let's go get in here and find the seedlings. Look at, guys, they have this beautiful, amazing. Oh, these are flowers, but I'm looking for veggies. They have, for those ones who are flowers lovers, they have all the seedlings here. They have all these flowers, guys. Which one is this? It's $3, as you can tell. Can you imagine? So look at these trees, guys, here. $24. They have these trees. I'm not really good in telling what kind of fruit it is, but hey, I'm looking for guys, for, let me show you these flowers here. They look cute, guys. Look at this one here. This is white plants, white benefit. It's a calathi. It's $14. So guys, the music is so loud, guys. I wanted to show you this one right here. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. This one, somebody gifted me this at my work. Somebody gifted me this one before, and it was really good. It's indoor plants. Oh, they are indoor plants. This one right here. So yeah, really good. I don't know if this is the cactus that I have in my house. I don't know. My cactus is not doing so well, but I'm gonna show you how it's doing, and you guys tell me what I'm doing wrong. So yeah, let's go find seedlings. All right, I think I found seedlings here, guys. I'm here. Look here. This is what I'm looking for. Some of them are flowers, but guys, here they have parsley. Definitely I need to plant parsley. This one right here. I think I need to plant this one. It's $1.44, guys. Can you imagine? I think that I need to plant this type here. It's $1.44. So we need that one. Yes, I think I'm gonna plant my own. So I need that. And guys, I'm looking for, what do you think we should plant? I'm looking for kales. I don't know if they have kales, guys, here. Let me see. They have carrots. Actually, I'm trying to grow carrots this time. I'm trying to grow carrots. So I'm gonna take some carrots So we can try in our garden. Yes guys, we can try that one. And I have lots of peppermint, guys. You see, they have peppermints here. They have peppermints here, but I have that in my garden, so I'm not gonna get that one. But I'm looking for kale. I don't know, this thing spins around, guys, so you can spin around. Oh my god, look, they have lettuce. I don't think we need lettuce as well, guys. Let's look for kales first. I hope they do. I hope they have kale. I don't see it here, but guys, yeah, I have spring onions, okra, guys. We need okra, so definitely I am going to plant okra. Mine is dry, but I feel like we need to go. Oh no, you know why? Because I have seedlings from the previous okra that I dried, and that is the one I'm going to plant. So I don't think we need okra at this point. And I need spinach that I don't see here. They have lettuce here, but this is not the one I want. Let me see. Oh, these are flowers, guys. Oh, these are flowers. I don't need flowers at the moment. Guys, they don't have my kales. This is so annoying. They have this, but I don't know what it is. This is collard leaves. I don't need this, guys. And I remember one time I grew cantaloupe in my garden. Look, the cantaloupe looks like this. We have grown our cantaloupes before, but I don't want to grow cantaloupe right now. All I need is kales and cilantro. Oh my goodness, guys. I hope we are going to be lucky. If not, we are going to another store. Oh wow, guys, I am so done from Walmart. I got my kale. I got what I needed actually, and over here. So we need to go plant so that we can eat healthy. And thank you so much, guys, for coming with me for shopping here at this beautiful Walmart here in Texas. And I don't know where I parked my car, guys. I'm trying to find my car. I went all the way this way and my car was on the other side, so I think I see it. Let's go get in. And thank you so much, guys, for coming and watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe, you share, guys, you tell people about Umoto Lifestyles channel, and don't forget to keep on your notification post so you know anytime I'm posting. Okay, bye guys.